everyone. Me and my dad are going to play soccer again. First, the 2 goals. I'm going to start with the ball. Shot, Maddox, easy goal. Easy goal. Not letting Zoe go in the custody. Come on, baby.
She's not going back.
Come on, Zoe. Get the baby. Oh, she lost the ball. Zoe lost the ball. Oh, who lost the ball? There you go. There goes Zoe. Zoe scores. Zoe scores. Zoe scores. She scores. It's 1-1. Next goal wins. Next goal wins, baby. Let's go. Next goal wins. Next goal wins. Let's Zoe. Next goal wins, baby. Shoot that. Oh, I missed. I shoot. No, I missed the goal. I missed the goal. Maddox shoots. Maddox scores. And that's going to be it for this video. I hope you have a nice time. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye.